Right, so Rugby Team Manager has illustrated how many matches the team won, drew and lost using a pictogram. Okay, so you can see her key for the pictogram here, the symbol it says represents 4 matches. Okay, so then asks, she decided that the above information would be better illustrated using a pie chart. Okay, draw a pie chart to show the information. Okay, now with a pie chart, of course, we need to work with numbers, right? Now, here we haven't got numbers, we've just got symbols. But of course, we know what each symbol represents, okay? 4 matches there, okay, for each of those oval-shaped. So we've got 3 lots of 4 there. Now, of course, here you can see we've got 3/4, haven't we? If you think about it, we've got 3/4 of this oval shape here. 3/4 of 4 is going to be 3. So in total here, we've got 15 in total, right? That they won. Here then, we've got 4, 4 and 4, so that will give me 12. And then here we've got 4, 4, and of course this is a quarter, so that'll be quarter of 4 is just 1, right? So you end up with 9 there. So in total, you've got these values. This is how many they won, this is how many they drew, and this is how many they lost. Now, if we add them together, 15 and 12 and 9, right, we end up having a total of 36 games, okay? So you add them up, 36 games in total. And we need to represent these 36 games, whether they won, drew or lost, we need to represent them on this pie chart, okay? But what's important to remember for the pie chart is a circle, isn't it? And all the angles in the circle add up to 360. So we want to share this circle. So we want to share what a circle is represented by, which is 360 degrees, by how many games there are? 36. Okay, so 360 divided by 36 comes out to be 10. Okay, so in other words, each game is worth 10 degrees. Okay. Each game is worth 10 degrees. Now, if we start off then with how many they won, so we can work out how large the sector needs to be. So they won 15, didn't they? So we've got 15 lots of 10 degrees. Okay, 15 lots of 10 degrees. Each game is 10 degrees, 15 games that were won, so each game of those games is 10. So 15 lots of 10 is 150 degrees. Drew, well, we've got 12 that were drawn. 12 lots of 10 degrees is 120, and then lost, 9 were lost, 9 lots of 10, 90 degrees. So you can add these up, and they should total 360 degrees. Okay, to draw a pie chart then, and with a pie chart, best thing to do really is to draw a vertical line to start with. Okay, get my then protractor, okay, and start then from the center of the protractor, okay, on the center point, and we've got then the baseline of the protractor 0 there on top of the line we've just drawn, and we're going to measure around at 150 from 0 all the way around, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, all the way around to 150, mark it, okay, where it's marked then, I'm going to join that up, and that's how many they won, right? Now, next one then, drew, 120 degrees, so I turn my protractor round, okay, rotate it round, because what I want to do, of course, is to start measuring from 0 again to 120, okay, so the 0's got to be on top of that line I've just drawn, the new line, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, which is here, so mark it, okay. Join up then from the center to that mark. I've got then how many they drew or drawn, and then finally then lost, okay, is the angle that's remaining. That's got to be 90 degrees, and it pretty much does look like 90 degrees, doesn't it? So there's a right angle, so we know that we've done this properly.